We made it to Gainesville. Woo-hoo. Now we're gonna go to the Airbnb and sleep, and then wake up, and we're gonna hang out with Anker at the Save Expo. Made it to the Airbnb. Time to brush our teeth, get ready, and then wake up and let the party begin. All right, before we can get to work and play music, we definitely need to get some coffee. So we're here downtown Gainesville. We're gonna get my honey latte that I love so much, and then we're gonna go meet our friends, Anker. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Everybody get out.
Yeah, right.
We just got here. We're gonna find out where we're supposed to go, load in, and go say hi to Anker.
The band that's performing at their tent today. Okay, thanks.
Ooh, but I just found out we're playing on the NASA bus, which is really cool. NASA, we're gonna play on their bus. So we don't have to set up until later. So we're gonna leave our car right by the stage. We're gonna walk around and explore, and then of course, find the Anker tent and say hello to all the people that we've been talking to through email. But by the way, the purpose of today's event is to perform and play everything powered off of Anker. So we're gonna be using Anker products. It's all gonna be off-grid music performance. All right, we just met Dorothy from Anker. Yes, our first contact. So today's gonna be awesome.
We're so excited to enjoy your show.
Oh, Will shucks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope we don't suck. All right, bye.
Bye. We found Anker.
Oh yeah.
They're on pre-sale right now for $6.50.
Yeah. Whoa, seriously?
Okay, so I was just walking around just trying to find things, and I met people that know our music. I don't know how that's possible, but they did. So, and they sell a bunch of camping gear, stoves, and all that kind of stuff. What's your company name?
Smoking Crow.
Smokin' Crow. So you should check them out. But we don't have to play for a couple of hours, so we're just walking around and seeing what people are selling and taking it all in before we have to set up and start playing tonight.
All right, close it, open the other side, keep moving, don't stop. I think you're supposed to sit on the other side, because Shane, get on the other side.
All right, enough messing around. We're gonna go now, set up, get everything ready. You guys ready to rock out?
Yes. Let's go.
Emily! So we're here setting up now, and my phone's about to die, so it only makes sense to use an Anker charger on an Anker product while we're setting up to play Anker stuff. We got Anker setting up the mood lights.
Check 1 2. Check 1 2.
All set up, ready to go. Sound checked. Everything sounds decent. There's a million generators going on, so we're kind of hoping that those will be done really soon, and I think they will. So that's great.
Drew him closer to my lips. So picture the surprise when he tried to leave.
Shane, do you have any of that sandwich left?
Try to organize my mind while the world falls behind. Slow waltz around the sun. Every year reveals a change. Looking back now, feeling strange. We all learn to be someone. What happens next?
Yay, our friends!
Won't pretend to know.
Hi, puppy. Okay. All right, we made it back to the van. Now it's time to head back and see our kids.
I heard you say to love is to let go. Turning out the light again while I wrestle what's within. Looking out for a friend.